I'm making panko crumbs with leftover sourdough bread. It's a much better bread for you because it's a fermented bread and it's better for your gut than white bread, and I like the taste of it as well. So it is leftover, so first thing you need to do is just cut off all the edges. So I've cut them up and I'm going to put them in a processor to whiz it up. Then just continue until you've made all your crumbs. Place it on a tray and just make sure it's only one layer, and put this in the oven at 160 degrees centigrade or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Come out the oven, it's 12 minutes later. If you're using white bread, you probably need 8 to 10 minutes, but as sourdough is has a bit more moisture, I would say 12 minutes. And you can hear the crispiness and crunchiness just by throwing it. You can feel it, and that's all you need to do. So it doesn't need to be toasted. If it does get toasted, it doesn't matter because you're going to fry it. But you know, it pretty much stays the same color. And then you can just store this in a jar, or just keep it until you need it for your recipe. So I'm going to be making panko chicken burgers like the GBK ones. So delicious. Ooh la la.